Am I audible? Just check. There was some internet issue.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible? So in between,
Yes, sir.
I may leave in between. So it was happen due to internet connection. So what we have seen yesterday, what we have seen yesterday, moment of force we have started. Okay. So in which we have seen what does it mean by momentum, and we have defined the momentum also. Sign convention for the momentum also we have seen. How we can give the moment, not momentum. Sorry, moment. Sorry, moment. So also, what we have seen, it is nothing but a rotational effect produced by the force. It is as simple definition. Moment of force is taken about a certain point, or we can say particular point. It is taken uh, between a certain, and then we have seen the formula. Simple, moment is equal to magnitude. So what thing I have told before some time, sine. So while taking the force into consideration, in case of movement, we have to take the magnitude of the force. That is most important. So irrespective of where that particular force is going, irrespective of that, we have to consider magnitude and perpendicular distance. So here intentionally I am repeating this formula. What does it mean by moment? Magnitude of the force means in your 12th mathematics. So you might have heard the word mod, where we are considering only magnitude, not sign. So have you heard the word mod?
Yes,
Mod of, have you heard? Means
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
very good. Means like
Yes,
this.
sir.
If it is something like this, so what will be the magnitude of this? So whatever I have written on the screen. So I have written mod of -2. So what is this actually equal to? How? What will be this?
Two.
Two.
Only
Two.
2.
Two.
Similarly, while
Only
Two.
two.
only 2 we can say, or 2. Why? Because we have to consider only magnitude. We are interested in only magnitude of the force. So that direction, how it will be decided of the moment. Once a particular force will have a effect of clockwise rotation, then positive. So meanwhile, here you can remember positive when it will be a clockwise, and when it will be a anti-clockwise, it is negative. Likewise, you have to remember. So intentionally I am repeating once again, magnitude we have to consider of the force. Then that we have seen certain cases, here it is shown one spanner which is going to tight a nut and bolt. Likewise also we have seen these examples, simple examples, where so yesterday a question may arise, if as far as for first example, if you see point A is given, 4 meter distance is given from one of the end, 100 kilonewton is force applied. So are you observing 100 kilonewton? So this force, if you see sign convention of this force, it will come how? It is going towards which direction? Plus y or minus y, or
Upward.
Minus.
Positive.
no? Moment is coming positive. Moment is coming positive. I am asking if at all you are going to consider sign convention of force, only force
Minus
100,
Y.
it will come minus, but still, so we are going to consider, because that formula is what for the moment? It is the formula. What is the formula for moment? Moment is equal to magnitude of force. So yesterday actually I was expecting this answer, this, but time, due to time constraint, I have not told this thing yesterday. Magnitude of force is important in moment. So sign, depending whose sign we are going to take into account, moment sign, not force sign. येते का लक्षात? Here what we are going to see, movement sign is we are going to check about a particular point, not sign of force. Only we are going to consider a magnitude of force. These many examples we have seen, and while going at the end of yesterday's last lecture, we have seen a special case in moment, a moment of force passing through a given point. So here this case you have to remember, very important point as far as movement is concerned. What is that? If line of action of force or a particular force, I will say, if particular force will pass through a certain point, then movement will be zero at that point. Number one. Or if line of action of force, if line of action of force will pass through a certain point, then moment at that point also will be zero. Means in short I will tell, If particular force will pass through a certain point, at that point moment will be 0. Or line of action. So if you see this case, so whatever particular example you are observing on the screen, so if you see this particular case, you may feel point A is at one side and 300 kilonewton force is applied at some another side. But if we are going to consider this point, and if at all you are going to extend this line, line of action of this 300 kilonewton force, automatically it will pass through point A. So moment at point A with due to this force, we can say it will be 0. These special cases yesterday we have seen and we came up to this. Now next, so we will see here example. Similarly, it is given. So what I have discussed, it is there. So write down first example on calculation of moment. So whatever problem we have seen, these problems were calculation of resolution of single force. Whatever we have studied, it was a single force problems. Now moment, here force system will come into picture. So first problem from the moment, find moment of force about point B. So we have to find moment of force about point B. So are you observing clearly diagram? Is it possible
Yes.
for you? Are you observing clearly? So you can draw by freehand
Yes, sir.
in your notebook. So from this diagram, so if I will describe this diagram a little. So it is a rectangular block, we will say, or rectangular body is there, rectangular. I cannot say square.
क्वेश्चन रिपीट करता का?
Find a moment of forces. So at the top sentence is there, find a moment of forces about point B. About point B. Okay, so this diagram you can draw. So point A, B, C, D, it is given. Okay. So if once you are going to observe this diagram, first thing you have to analyze or you have to see carefully how many forces are there, how many forces are applied to the body.
Four.
Four different forces are there which are applied at the corner of this body. So about which point we want to find out a moment?
Point B.
At point B.
B.
Point B. So here you have to remember total number of forces are 4. So whatever moment will be there, so that moment we have to add at the end. That will be our total moment about point B. Okay, so what I want to tell, so whatever 4 different forces are there, whatever these 4 forces are there, you have to add a moment of all these forces. Are you getting? So point B you have to fix. So let me, are you observing point B? Where is point B? So here it is a point B. So first what you have to write, so here, so if you'll let us see, go from first force. So there is a limitation of space. So first you have to write in solution. Now you have to write in your notebook solution. Then, so first Roman 1 you can write, Roman 1. So what is that Roman 1? Moment due to 50 Newton force. Moment due to 50 Newton force, or simply you can write like this. First one is moment due to 50 kilo, not kilo, only Newton, 50 Newton. So what will be the moment due to 50 Newton force about point B? If you will consider 50 Newton force, so what will be the moment?
100 Newton.
Huh?
100.
100 Newton. Any more answer about point B due to 50 Newton force? How much?
Zero.
0.
Zero.
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 Zero. Why it is 0?
$50 Newton acts at A.
Because force is parallel
At
to the point B.
Force is
Parallel.
not clockwise or anti-clockwise.
Not
The
clockwise
force is
or
parallel to the B.
parallel to the B, or whatever special case we have seen. The line of action of force, if at all I am going to increase, is it going from the point B?
No, sir.
It is not going from the B. If I am going to
Yes, sir.
extend
Yes, sir.
50 Newton force, this likewise horizontally means it will come somewhere here. Again, it will come somewhere here. Again, it will come somewhere here. Again, it will come somewhere here. It will go from point B. So, is it going from the point B?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is going from the point B. That's why moment due to 50 Newton force will be
Zero.
zero. So directly it will be zero due to 50 Newton force. It is zero. So force number 1 is over. So whatever it will get there, it is zero. Point number second force, which is second force. So here you have to write a sentence. Roman 1 moment due to 50 Newton force dash. What sentence you are going to write here? The line of action of 50 Newton force is passing through point B, hence moment is zero. Likewise, descriptive sentence here you have to write. So just I have told whatever sentence. So what sentence you are going to write? The line of action of 50 Newton force is passing through point B. That's why moment is zero. Line of action is passing through point B. What about second now? Second force we will take as a 60 Newton force. 60. So what will happen about 60 Newton force? So apply the mind and you can tell now. What will happen? 60 Newton force is acting at point B. So what will happen?
Minus 120 Newton.
Minus 120 Newton. So whatever special cases we have seen. So simple. Zero. It is very simple. Perpendicular distance in this case also zero. If I will ask what is the perpendicular distance between point B and 60 Newton force, what will be your answer?
Zero.
Zero. It is zero. It is
Zero.
acting at that point. So remember this very carefully. For both these forces, 50 Newton and 60 Newton, perpendicular distance is zero. Are you agree with me? Perpendicular distance is zero.
Yes.
In both
Yes,
cases,
sir.
it is distance is zero. That's why moment due to this 60 Newton force is also will be zero. This is about second force. What about third now? Force number third. What is its magnitude of third force? So are you with me? What is the magnitude of third force?
100 Newton.
So what sentence you are going to write in second case? 60 Newton force is passing through point B. 60 Newton force is passing through point B. Hence moment is zero. Hence moment is zero. In bracket, for both the cases you can write perpendicular distance is zero. Perpendicular distance is zero. Likewise you can write, and for both, due to both these forces, force is zero. Likewise you can write. Force, is there any problem in first two cases?
No, sir.
No, so then we will go for third force. What is the magnitude of third force?
100 Newton.
100 Newton.
100 Newton.
100 Newton. So you can write here third force, moment due to 100 Newton force. Likewise, dash. So in only here I will write third. What is the force? Third 100 Newton. So I don't have space to write. So I will write here only 100 Newton. So you can write in your notebook moment due to 100 Newton force. Likewise, you can write sentence, and below you can write what you are going to write. Moment is equal to, what is the formula for moment?
Magnitude into perpendicular distance.
Magnitude into
Magnitude into
perpendicular distance. Magnitude into perpendicular distance. So what formula here it will become? What is the magnitude of force? Magnitude of force will be 100. Correct? 100. And into what is perpendicular distance?
3 meter.
3 meter.
3 meters.
3 meter. So likewise it will go 100 into 3. And now here we have to consider the direction. Is it if point B will be fixed and if a force 100 Newton is applied at point C, whether this object will move in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise direction. This also you have to apply the logic and you have to see carefully. If point B will be fixed and this particular 100 Newton force is applied at point C, so this object is going to rotate in anti-clockwise rotation. So what convention, sun convention we have seen? Whether it will be negative. So automatically it will come negative. So here I will write minus, how much it will come? This product 300 Newton. So what will be its unit? Unit force Newton, and what is the distance is given in
Meter. Newton meter.
Newton meter. So it is simply, it will come, it is Newton meter. So have you understood why minus 300 came?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then next, so last force is remained. 50 Newton force is over, 60 Newton is over, 100 Newton is over. Then last force, what is the magnitude of last force? I will write here now. What is the magnitude of last force? 150 Newton. So you can apply your mind and you tell me what will be the magnitude. So here you can write fourth case, moment due to 150 Newton force. Moment due to 150 Newton force. So formula as simple, we are knowing magnitude into perpendicular distance. So what is magnitude? So here only I will write. So what is magnitude? 150. What will be the perpendicular distance?
2 meter.
Perpendicular distance. So how to find perpendicular distance? Two parallel line. Perpendicular distance, parallel line means distance between AD and BC. How much it is given? 150.
3 meters.
It is 3
meter.
3 meter distance between AD.
2 meter.
2 meter, 2.
2 meters.
See the 2 meter is the distance. So I will say 2. Now, while giving sign, you have to check here now. Once point B will be fixed, and you are going to apply force at point D in given direction. How object will rotate? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. So which
Yes,
sign
sir.
I have to give? Which sign I have to give?
Negative.
Negative. So it will be. So how much it will be? Again 300.
Minus 300.
Minus 300 Newton meters.
Minus 300
Newton meter.
Newton meter. And finally, what you have to write? Finally, total momentum. Sorry, not moment. Finally, you can write total moment is equal to moment due to 50 Newton force plus moment due to 60 Newton force plus moment due to 100 Newton force plus moment due to 150 Newton force. So this here you have to add. These things you have to add. So what will be the addition? Final, I will write final momentum or total momentum is equal to. So, total momentum, what will be? Summation of Roman 1, Roman 2, Roman 3 and Roman 4. So what will be the summation?
Minus 600 Newton meter.
Minus 600 Newton meter will be the answer at point B. Minus 600 Newton meter will be the answer for this. So here, shall I give notation something? You can write here moment. I will write only MO. Total momentum, something like this. In short, just I have written MO. Total momentum, something like this. Have you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Okay, you can write down this. And or is it over? So likewise, you have to take distances and you can go forward. So note down the answer is minus 600 Newton meter is the answer for this. So that you have to remember. Okay. Shall we go next problem?
Yes.
So shall
Yes,
we
sir.
shall we go next? Shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Total moment is equal to minus 600 Newton meter is your answer. Okay. Next problem. So same is given now. So quickly we can calculate now. Find the momentum. Find moment of forces. Same problem. About point D. Point is only changed. Point only is changed. Diagram is same. You can give a second problem with same figure, not necessary to draw once again. So problem statement you can write something like this. For above diagram or for above force system, find moment about point D. For above, so whatever it will come, we will see. So same problem I have repeated, only point I have changed. Why? To avoid the confusion. So some students are maybe in having a little problem. To reduce their problem, I have added same thing here. Okay. So once again, same question I will ask. How many forces are there in this system?
Four.
Same, no, four forces. Only point is changed. One distance is 2 meter, another one is 3 meter. Now let us start with point D. If I will start with point D. So moment due to which force is there at point D? 150 Newton.
150 Newton.
So what will be the moment due to 150 Newton at point D?
0.
300.
At point D, D for Delhi.
300.
300, who is saying 300?
0, sir.
0.
0.
0, it will come
Zero.
0. So that's why I am repeating once again. About point D, we are calculating this 150 Newton force is passing through point D. That's why it will have 0 moment. मी परत एकदा मराठीत सांगतोय बघा, एखादा जर फोर्स दिलेल्या पॉइंट मधून पास होत असेल तर त्याचं मोमेंट 0 डायरेक्टली. जर फोर्स त्या पॉइंट मधून जात असेल किंवा लाईन ऑफ ऍक्शन ऑफ दॅट फोर्स ती जरी जात असेल तरी पण 0. इट इज ॲज सिम्पल ॲज दिस. हे लक्षातच ठेवा, याच्याशिवाय नाही. somebody is saying here 300, it is totally wrong, because 150 Newton force is passing through this, it is 0. That sentence you have to write. The sentence lays, as force 150 Newton is passing through point D, moment is 0. What about second force? Which second force we will take? Which we will take? First, tell fast. 5 minutes are there with us. Which force? Point C. Point C we will take. Okay, 100 Newton force. What will be the moment due to 100 Newton force?
0.
300. 300.
0.
0.
300 again. Who is saying 300? आता जे कोण 300 म्हणते त्यांच्यासाठी मराठीत सांगतो. जर तुम्ही या 100 न्यूटन फोर्स जर पुढे वाढवला, असा पुढे वाढवला, इन दिस वे इट इज गोइंग, नो, असा जातोय. आपण लॉ ऑफ ट्रान्समिसिबिलिटी ऑफ फोर्सेस वर मी 2 लेक्चर घेतले. असा जर पुढे वाढवला म्हणजे या लाईन वरती कुठं जरी फोर्स लावला, इफेक्ट सेमच राहतोय. असं आपण लॉ ऑफ ट्रान्समिसिबिलिटी ऑफ फोर्सेस शिकलो. म्हणजे हा परत अजून फोर्स आता पॉइंट डी मधूनच जातोय. 100 न्यूटन जातोय का? इज इट गोइंग थ्रू पॉइंट डी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once again it will be 0. परत 0 झाला बघा. म्हणजे या दोन्हीमुळे 0 झाला. नेक्स्ट, ऍट पॉइंट बी वी विल टेक फर्स्ट. पॉइंट बी 60 न्यूटन. 60 Newton force. So what is the magnitude? Magnitude is 60 into what will be the perpendicular distance?
2
meter.
2. So whatever force is applied 60 Newton, whether it will have clockwise or anti-clockwise effect. Clockwise or anti-clockwise. हे 60 न्यूटनचा फोर्स इथून खालून लावल्यानंतर आणि पॉइंट डी फिक्स आहे. Anti-clockwise. That's why it will be 120 Newton meter. Correct?
Yes.
And what about force? What about fourth force? 50. 50. What is magnitude? 50 into what will be the perpendicular distance?
3 meter.
3. So what will be the effect, clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
So again anti-clockwise. So minus 150.
150.
Minus 150. So
150.
total moment.
Yes.
Total momentum. So addition of Roman 1, Roman 2, Roman 3. Total I will write here. Total. Addition of all. Total
Minus 270.
minus
270.
270.
minus 270.
70 Newton meter.
Newton meter is the answer. So what was the previous answer? Was minus 600, no? Something.
Yes, sir. Yes.
It was minus 600. Here it is. Total is minus
270 Newton.
Newton meter. So last 1.5 minute is remained. Once again I will repeat. जर एखादा फोर्स ऍट अ पर्टिक्युलर पॉइंट मधून जात असेल तर त्याचा मोमेंट हा 0 असतो डायरेक्टली. And in other hand, if line of action of force is passing through a particular point, then moment of that point is also 0 in both cases. हे दोन्ही लक्षात ठेवा. बरेच जण इथे कॅल्क्युलेशन करतात. Once I have asked what is the moment due to 150 Newton force due to this force, immediately one answer came 300 Newton meter. It is wrong. If such mistakes you are going to commit, definitely, so your problem is going to be a wrong. So very carefully you have to go for calculation. Very carefully. Once again I will repeat speciality of this subject. So if you will go for such very simple mistakes, no, you will suffer a lot. A simple mistake will take your maximum more marks, I will say. So very carefully you have to go for. So whatever I was telling, law of transmissibility of force. So if at all line of action of force will remain same, effect will remain unaltered or unchanged. So write down these sentences. Next lecture is also ours lecture. So after break we will take that lecture. So we will take 10-minute break. Shall we take 10 minute or 5 minute?
10 minutes.
5.
Sir.
Okay, 10-minute break we will take. 10 minutes. Afterwards we will solve next problem. Okay. So sentences also you have to write in depth sentences. First force 150 Newton. Why the moment is 0?